Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy game not launching, not opening or won't start issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After updating your graphics to the latest version, try to play the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on manage, and here is the launch option. You have to enable it and have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, see, now go to program files, go to the Epic Games, and here is the game. So simply you have to double click on it and check whether it's launching or not. If not, run the game as administrator. For that, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Epic Games. Now in the library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on the three dot icon, now click on manage, and here you will get the verify option. Simply click on verify, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Now after that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and after that, here you have to add your game to the list. So first you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If not, you have to go to allow another app, then go to the browse section, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here you have to select the game, select the game application, add it to the list over here. So after adding it, here you have to select the game. After adding the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to simply select them. Now after selecting, right click on it, click on end task, and this will completely close the game or app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it is, then it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. Now once you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. After restarting, again launch the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now here you have to click on settings, then click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom, and the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576, and then click on set, and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now after the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to play the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Hogwarts Legacy game. For that, go to Epic Games Store, click on the library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it, and this will completely remove the game from your system. And after that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again reinstall Hogwarts Legacy game once again, and then try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.